In this quick video guide, we're gonna see Pixabay, which is a website where you can get a lot of resources for your projects, whether they are graphic design or video editing or web design and whatever. So we can see this is the website right here, pixabay.com. You also have some alternatives like Pexels, Unsplash, FreePic, Canva. You can see those also in the channel if you want, just search it in the channel. And in the channel, you will find also video courses in web design and video editing and graphic design, 3D and so on. So let's jump into Pixabay real quick. So I'm going to click here on this first link, or I can choose if I want to go directly into the videos, images, pictures, music, or sounds. So let's go here, and this is the home page. And let's say I want to search for something in specific. I can type here like Easter and press enter, and there you go. I have a bunch of images, and well, there are not only images here. So if I go back, and there you go, we can also look for photos, illustrations, vectors, so vector graphics. We can search for videos, and you can see illustrations is more like cartoons and logos and infographics. Photos are more realistic. And then you have music. So if you want, you can hear, and if you like some music, and you can download it. So first you can hear a sample if you press play, and that's the track right there. And if you like it, you can just click here, download, and this goes for anything else that you find in the channel and in the platform. So if you click here, download, you can, well, the download is gonna start automatically, and it's gonna go into your download folder. And in the meanwhile, you can donate to the author if you want. So you can check the profile of the author, and that's it. You can learn more about the license certificate and everything else right here. And there you go. Now it's just started the download, which I already downloaded. So you see this is an MP3. Just click on save, and that's it. Now I'm just gonna override the existing one and just wait for the download to finish. So this is how easy it is. Really fast, easy, and especially free. Now you also have not only music, you also have sound effects, which could be really helpful when you're doing audio and video editing, like creating projects for advertisement or whatever for your university. And so it has a lot of sound effects, has a lot of music, has also animated GIFs if you want. So you can see here the preview again. And that's basically it. So it's really, really straightforward, easy to use, and you can go there, search for something specific, download it, and use it for your, again, project, graphic design project, or whatever. So this will be all for this video guide. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to also stay updated, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to support us, you can join the channel as a supporter and check also our other courses and guides and lessons, classes, and so on that we have in the channel about graphic design, web design, video editing, and so on. So you can take these files and use them in Premiere Pro or After Effects or Shotcut or Inkscape or Illustrator or Photoshop and wherever. So thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video guide.